This is TAO. Why am I sounding like? Why is it sounding like TAO? Okay, so this is TAO Airdrop, and you just need to connect to your Twitter account. So once you click on the link in the description box or my first pinned comment, you come here, you click on join mining pool. Once you click on that, then you're going to come here and connect your X account. So it will take you directly to your X or your Twitter. The next thing you want to do is you want to come here and authorize the app. That is, you want to give it access to view your account. So you come here, click on authorize. Now you do not need to have a Twitter verification or Twitter tick before you can start this project. So after doing this, the next thing you want to do is to come here and paste your address. So what address are you pasting? You are pasting your ERC20 address. ERC20 address. So I'm going to go to you can use Trust Wallet. You can use a Trust Wallet to do that. You can use yes, MetaMask or use another wallet of your choice. But I would want to try my Bybit. So you come down to your Bybit and then you click on this deposit on Bybit, just like so. Once you click on deposit on Bybit, you come down here and you are going to click on deposit crypto. Come here, click on deposit crypto. Then you're going to come here and going to select a coin, that is, you select USDT. After selecting USDT, you want to select a chain. Remember, they said you should get ERC20 wallet. So this is Ethereum and it's ERC20 wallet. Like I said, you can use Trust Wallet, is practically the same thing. So what you want to copy is this. You want to copy this wallet address, this particular wallet address. So you come here, you click on the copy. Then we're going back to the Mrs. browser. I'm using my Mrs. browser. You can use your Chrome. So once you come back to your Mrs. browser, all you need to do is now to paste that particular address you copied from your wallet. You paste it here. So I'm just going to kind of hold this down so it selects everything. Then I'm going to click on paste. So if you watch my videos to this point and you're not yet subscribed, please do me a very big favor to subscribe and come here, and I'll click on update address. We've pasted our wallet address. Now we're going to update the address so that it is saved automatically. So I'll come down here, I'll click on update address. Now you see that this is my Twitter account, is connected and has the green tick. This is my ERC20 wallet, is connected, it has the green tick. Then I'm going to come here and click on join mining pool. Just come here, click on join mining pool, and you see what it said. It says successfully joined the mining pool, and also you see here it says join, already joined. So I'll be dropping this particular link in the comment section. And the next thing you're going to do after you must have linked your wallet to TAO is to come to Twitter. Just come to Twitter like this, and then you come here, you click on the search, this search just here, and I'm going to drop the link also in the description box of the comment section. And then you come here, you enter this inspect. This is it right here. Inspect. You come to this inspect. You make sure you follow them on Twitter like this. You see, I'm already following them on Twitter. Then what are you going to do to be able to earn your TAO is to yap about them. I have a very, very detailed video on yapping about projects, and people are cashing out real time on this. If you don't know how to yap, then whenever I drop a link about this project, just go there, share the link, or retweet the link and make comments about it, you are also yapping and you are also going to earn on this project. So that is all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another update. Bye for now.